Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that so many of us struggle with. Pimples! But don't worry, because I've got you covered with some amazing natural remedies that you can try right at home. Let's get started. Before we jump into the remedies, it's important to know that pimples are often caused by clogged pores, excess oil, bacteria, or even stress. The good news? Nature has some incredible solutions to help reduce pimples effectively without harsh chemicals. First up is the honey and cinnamon mask. Honey is antibacterial and cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Here's how to make it. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Use this twice a week for glowing, acne-free skin. Aloe Vera is a miracle plant for your skin. It soothes inflammation, reduces redness, and helps heal pimples. Just take fresh aloe vera gel and apply it directly to your face before bed. Leave it on overnight and wake up to refreshed skin. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural remedy for pimples. But remember, it's strong, so always dilute it. First, mix 1 drop of tea tree oil with 9 drops of water. Then, use a cotton swab to apply it directly to your pimples. Let it dry and follow with a light moisturizer. This works wonders for those pesky spots. Here are a few bonus tips. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Eat foods rich in vitamins and antioxidants like fruits, veggies, and nuts. Reduce stress with yoga or meditation, as stress can trigger breakouts. And there you have it. Simple, natural remedies to reduce pimples right at home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments which remedy you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.